Go one centralized cloud infrastructure with Kubernetes, Docker, Envoy, Prometheus, all written in Go. But I believe the next decade of cloud native isn't centralized. It's distributed at the edge. And I don't think Go will take us to the next decade. Rust and TypeScript will. Here's why the architecture shift is forcing us to adopt new languages. While Go compiles to WebAssembly, it's very much a second-class citizen and still not great in 2025. A simple hello world in Go compiles to around 2 megabytes of WASM. The same program in Rust, less than 200K. That's a solid 10x difference. And when you're running code on Cloudflare Workers, Fastly Compute, or Fermyon, where code start times and bundle size determine cost and performance, those bytes matter. Go also needs a full garbage collector in the WASM runtime, and Rust does not. That means tighter memory control and predictable performance at scale and at the edge. Look at what the major edge platforms are betting on. Cloudflare Workers is all TypeScript and WASM and Rust by proxy. Vercel edge functions are TypeScript. Dino deploy, TypeScript. Fermyon, Rust, and any WASM supported language. Fastly Compute, Rust, and any WASM supported language. None of them are pushing Go as a first-class runtime. The reason why is because TypeScript already owns the JavaScript ecosystem, and Rust compiles to the smallest fast and WASM binaries. If you're building for the edge, you're either writing TypeScript or compiling to WASM, or else you're doing it wrong. Rust does both, and Go does neither. At least, does neither well. Now, this isn't just about hypothetical situations. CDNs are becoming our compute platforms for the next decade. Databases are moving to the edge with projects like Terzo, Fly, and Neon. Even Kubernetes is getting lighter with WASM-based runtimes like WASM Edge and Spin. In my opinion, the pattern is clear. Workloads are moving closer to users, and WASM is one of the leading deployment targets. The Bytecode Alliance, backed by Mozilla, Fastly, Microsoft, and others, is standardizing on WASI. The CNCF actually just accepted WASM Edge and Spin as projects this year. And the languages winning this shift are Rust and TypeScript. If you're building new services today, I want you to ask yourself a question. Does customer latency matter? Does customer experience matter? Should we be running this at the edge? Does it need fast cold starts? Does it need cross-platform portability? If the answer is yes to any of these, then Go is not your best choice anymore. Rust gives you WASM-first deployments with full control. TypeScript gives you every edge runtime out of the box. Together, they let you write once, run everywhere. Edge, browser, server, desktop plugins, you name it. Now, Kubernetes is still written in Go, and that's fine, but the new infrastructure layer being built on top of that is Rust and TypeScript. Your applications deserve to be Rust and TypeScript. And you don't just have to take my word for it. Watch where Cloudflare, Vercel, Fermyon are investing their time and their energy. Watch what languages the WASM ecosystem is optimizing for. The edge platforms have already made their choice. The question now is, are you building for the last decade of cloud native or for the next? I hope this gives you pause for thought. It's time for you to make your choice, because I've made mine.